day to all the dear students. This is chapter number 18, Perimeter and Area. This is part 4 in which I am explaining you different questions on perimeter and area of rectangle and square, and also some different questions of roads and the strips cutting out. Good day all the dear students. This is chapter number 18, Perimeter and Area, which I have already started in last video. We have completed our exercise 18A up to question number 6. So let us continue our exercise 18A and question number 7. So students, in question number 7, I am reading question. You all have to also see in your textbook, okay? The area of rectangular field is 0.5 hectare. HA means hectare, and one side is 12.5 meter. Find the other side in meters. So here area is given 0.5 hectare and one side means length I am writing is 12.5 meter. So we want to find the other side. Okay, rectangular means we have to find the breadth here first of all. So students, we know this relation of hectare to meter square. So I am writing here 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So we can change this 0.5 by multiplying 10,000 to 8 into meter square. Okay, so we get 5,000 meter square as conversion from hectare to meter square. Now, as we know, this is our area. So we want breadth. For that, area divided by length. This is the formula. I have already explained in the first video all the required formulas of area and perimeter. So here I will substitute 5,000 and the length is 12.5. It means 125 divided by 10. That 10 I will multiply in the numerator like this. Now we have to divide this by 25. So 25 5s are 25 2s are 50 and 2 zeros. Then 5 2s are. It means 200 2s are 400 meter is the breadth value we found here. It is written find all the sides of the rectangle. So we all know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So length is 12.5 and breadth is 400 meter. So of course the opposite length and breadth are also same. So this is our answer, students. The breadth value is here 400 meter according to question. Now let us take next question. Question number 8. In this question, a rectangular piece of plastic sheet measures 1 meter by 70 centimeter and find its cost at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. Okay, so it means here length and breadth of rectangular piece is given. So that is length is 1 meter and breadth is given 70 centimeters. Students, we want to find the cost per square meter. It means I have to convert this centimeter to meter. So we all know 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So I will divide this by 100. It means I get 0.7 meter. Conversion is breadth. You can check 70 divided by 100. So this 0 get cut. So 0.7 meter. Okay. Now we will find cost by finding its area. So we find first area of this plastic sheet. Length multiply by breadth. So 1 meter length and 0.7 meter breadth. It means 0.7 meter square area. Okay. Now we find the cost of it, and the rate of the cost is per meter square is given rupees 80. So I write 0.7 multiply 80. For that we get rupees 56 per meter square cost. So this is our question number 8 answer. Everyone, you understand it? This is the cost here 56 and this is the area is equal to 0.7 meter square. Now let us understand the next question of our exercise 18a, which is question number 9. So in this question, students, we are given the length and breadth of the playground, which is 80 meter and 35 meter respectively. So I write length is equal to 80 meter and breadth also 35 meter. Now here find the cost of leveling it at rupees 4.50 per square meter. Okay, so first of all, students, leveling means the whole area. If we want to level, we will have to find first area. Area of rectangle formula we all know, length multiply breadth, and we substitute the value here and take multiplication. So we get 2800 meter square as our area. We want to find the cost of leveling. So I write cost is equal to, the value is 4.50 per meter square. It means 4.50 100 point I remove and convert it into fraction. So this 20 get cancelled, and whatever we get, that is our answer, 45 and 28. We take the multiplication here. So here we get 1260 as our answer of first one, that is the cost of leveling. Now second question. How long will a boy take to go 3 times round the field if he walks at the rate of 1.5 meter per second? Means we want to calculate the time here कि एक जो बॉय है उसको 3 टाइम्स ये प्लेग्राउंड के राउंड घूमने हैं, तो उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा, और स्पीड उसकी हमको ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, दैट बॉय विल नॉट मूव इन द एरिया, he will move on the boundary of the playground. Okay, so boundary means I have already explained you, that is perimeter. So we will find now perimeter first and 3 times of it. Means perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth. This is the formula. So 2 length is 80 and breadth is 35. So here 2 multiply 115. 230 meters. This is the perimeter, and 3 times of it means we multiply it to 3. So the total distance we get is 690 meters. So I write here distance covered by the boy for 3 times is 690 meters. And speed is also given. I write it as speed is 1.5 meter per second. Okay. So we want to calculate time. Time is equal to distance divided by the speed. So here 690 upon 1.5. Again 1.5 I write 15 by 10 go up like this. 5 3s are 5 2s are, and this is 3 2s are 3 3s, and so we get our answer 460 seconds, and we can convert this to hours also by dividing it by. Now students, to get our answer in minute and seconds, we can divide this 460 seconds by 60. So we get 7 minutes and 60 or 70 seconds. Actually in the textbook it is given, no. So here I get 70 seconds actually, and this is approximate answer. So this is the answer of our question number 9. 7 minutes 70 seconds, and this is our area, and this is the cost we found as 1260. So here we found our both the answers of question number 9. Question number 10, students, we are not solving the same type of question we have already solved. So now this exercise we are completing here and move to the next exercise. Now let us start our exercise 18b, question number 1. Now see students, here we are given one figure and it is written find the area of the shaded portion in each case. So here first figure, first question, first is find the area. Find the area of shaded portion it is. So now let us solve it. First, this is find. Okay, now the figure is given like this. Let me draw the figure for you. This is the square shape. There is the path here and another square. So the length of the outer square is given here as 8 meter. This is 8 meter and this is also the same 8 meter, right? Inside this is given 4 meter. This is also as 4 meter. Now let us calculate this, the shaded area. For that, here this is the shaded region, this part. We have to calculate the area. For that, area of big square. Okay, so area of, or you can write area external. Okay, external means outer. So for that, 8 multiply 8, 8 8s are 64 meter square. And area internal, internal area is 4 multiply 4 4s are 16 meter square. So if we want this shaded part, so we have to separate the external minus internal. So area shaded part or shaded region is equal to area external minus area internal. Okay, so external is 64 minus 16. So here we get, this is 48 meter square. The first answer, area of shaded part or portion, that is we found as 48 meter square. Now let us take the second part or second figure we are given here, which is of rectangular shape. See, this is the figure given like this, and there is one more rectangle inside it passing. So outside, this is the values given to us, 24 meter length and the breadth is 20 meter here. Similarly, the inner, this is 22 meter length and this is the breadth, which is of 18 meter. So now students, to solve this question, same formula again, which is the shaded part here that I will show you. This is the shaded region. Okay. So again, the method is same. First we find area external and then area internal. And then we take the subtraction as we have done here. So I show you area external is 24 into 20, which is 480 meter square. And area internal is equal to 22 into 80. So we take the multiplication here. So that is 396 meter square. So we write area of shaded part as area external minus area internal. So now you substitute these values here, students, and get your answer by subtracting it. Okay, that part I am leaving to you. So all the calculation I will not show you. You also have to do some calculation. So whatever the answer we found here, that is the final answer of our shaded portion area. So now students, whenever shaded part areas you have to find. So this is the method how you have to find it out. Now let us take next question, question number 2. Now there are figures not given in the question. We have to form the figure. So no problem. Let us read the question number 2. A photograph of sides 35 cm by 22 cm is mounted onto a frame of external dimensions 45 cm by 30 cm. So here students, the external and internal both the dimensions are given. Okay, this is the frame I have first drawn, and there is a photograph here which is mounted on a frame. Okay, so this way. Now what we want to find the area of the border surrounding the photograph. So here we will write the measurement first. The external dimensions are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeters, and this is the photograph which is 35 centimeter and 22 centimeters. This is, I am writing here 22 centimeters. Okay, and student, what we want to find the as area we have to find the border. This is the border which is surrounding to the photograph. Okay, so how do we find this area? For that, the method I explained to you, that remains same. First of all, we find external area and internal area, and then we subtract accordingly. So I write area external, that is 45 into 30, right? 45 only. Now 35 centimeter square, and area internal is 35 into 22. So by calculation we will get the answer. We multiply here. That is 770 centimeters. Okay. So now we find the area of the border. Here what you asked. So here area of border is equal to area external minus area internal. For that, 1350 minus 770. So 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. Then here is 2. So 12 minus 7, 5. So 580 centimeter square, which is the answer of our question number 2. The area of border they asked to find, which is 580 centimeter square. So do you understand, students, how we are solving this type of question in which we have to find the border or something kind of that? So now let us continue question number 4. Question number 3, you also need not solve, students. It is okay. We take question number 4. A sheet of paper measures 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter. A strip 4 centimeter wide is cut from it all around. Find the area of the remaining sheet and also the area of the strip cut out. So let us draw the figure first. Here we have to draw a sheet of paper. So first of all, in the shape of rectangle it is. So this is the sheet of paper I have drawn, whose measure we are given 30 by 20. It means 30 is the length and 20 is the breadth. Okay. Now a strip 4 centimeter wide is cut from it all around. What is the meaning of it? From this way all over this we will take 4 centimeter strip and we cut it here. Okay, so this is the strip where I am shading now. This is the strip, okay, whose width is given to us 4 centimeter. How much? 4 centimeters. So I am writing here 4. This is also 4. Both the side, all around it. Okay. Now find the area of the remaining sheet, students. So अगर ये कट हो जाएगा तो कितना एरिया बचता है आफ्टर कटिंग दिस स्ट्रिप? ओके, सो पहले ये पेपर था, उसके बाद ऐसे हमने चारों और 4 सेंटीमीटर का मेजर लेके स्ट्रिप बना ली है और देन वी आर कटिंग दैट स्ट्रिप। तो कितना पोर्शन बचेगा पेपर का वो हमको फाइंड करना है, राइट। For that, let us find first external area, that is area external, that is 30 into 20। जो बाहर का पहले का शीट था उसका 30 into 20 मेजर है। So 3 2s are 6 and 2 zeros सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। दिस इज द एक्सटर्नल एरिया। अब ले लेंगे कि ये जो 4 सेंटीमीटर की जो स्ट्रिप्स है तो वो अगर ऐसे काट दी जाए तो अंदर का जो हमारा मेजरमेंट होगा वो कैसे होगा। तो 30 है, दोनों साइड से 4 4 काट लिया तो 30 माइनस 8 हो जाएगा एंड दैट विल बी 22 सेंटीमीटर। 30 माइनस 8 ऑल्सो यहाँ पे भी 20 है तो दोनों साइड से 4 4 कट हो जाएगा। 4 plus 4 8, so 20 minus 8 is 12 centimeter. So area we have to find. This is area internal will be, how we get the internal dimensions, but so length internal, so I write Li is 30 minus 4 minus 4, so you can write 30 minus 8 is equal to 22 centimeters. Similarly breadth inner, राइट उसका वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए 20 माइनस 4 माइनस 4, सो इट विल बी 20 माइनस 8, सो इट विल बिकम 12 सेंटीमीटर्स। ओके, सो ये इनर लेंथ और इनर ब्रेथ हमने फाइंड किया। अब हमें मिल जाएगा जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट है वो आफ्टर कट आउट। सो एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग पेज, रिमेनिंग शीट इज इक्वल टू, दैट इज द इनर ओनली, ये अंदर का ही बच जाएगा, ये तो कट जाएगा जो शेडेड है वो। तो इसके लिए हमने ऑलरेडी लेंथ इनर एंड ब्रेथ इनर फाइंड किया है। तो एरिया के लिए लेंगे 22 मल्टीप्लाई 12। सो लेट अस टेक मल्टीप्लिकेशन। सो हियर वी गेट 264 as our answer. So 264 centimeter square, which is our area of remaining sheet. What they asked to get, area of remaining sheet is 264 centimeter square. So now understand students how to solve this type of questions. Let us take question number 7, exercise 18b. In this question, we have a rectangular lawn 18 meter into 60 meter, has 2 roads each 10 meter wide running in the middle of it. So let us draw the figure students, then you will understand it. So this is the rectangular plot I have drawn, whose measurements we are given, and inside it the road 10 meter like this, in between of it, and also parallel to the length and parallel to the breadth, both the way. So this way the roads are drawn. Okay, so now what is the length and breadth given here? 80 meter and 60. So this is the length, which is 80 meter, and this is the breadth, which is of 60 meter. Okay, now next the road widths are given to us 10 meter wide. So this is 10 meter here also, and here also it is of 10 meter, right? So now students, what they asked to get here is now the middle of the 8, one parallel to length. This is the parallel to length and this is the parallel to breadth. So we have drawn the roads here. Find the cost of graveling them, whom this road we want to gravel, at rupees 1.20 per meter square. Okay, so now students, to solve this, first of all we have to find the area of the roads given to us here. So shaded, I have not shaded this part, but if you shade this part we have to find area. See students, I have shaded it now this way. Now if I shaded this way, then also this, square part is coming 2 times. So how do we solve this question that I am telling you? Here we have 3 type of areas. First is this rectangular part, this one which I will tell A1. Then another rectangular part is this one which is also of A2. I will write A2. And one more square here, right? So this is A3. I write here A3. Okay. So I will find first separately A1, A2 and A3 values. They are the rectangles. A1 and A2 are rectangles and A3 is the square shape. So A1 means this one. Okay. So उसका length हमको दिया है 80 मीटर और breadth है 10 मीटर. So I am writing 80 multiply 10. That will be 800 meter square. Now I will find A2. ये जो है this one which is parallel to breadth. वो part हमारा है A2 part. उसके लिए ये length है. So length is 60 meter. And breadth. This is the breadth. You can see 10 meter. So breadth is 10. For that I get 600 meter square A2 value. Now we will find this A3 also. A3 is a square shape. It means we will take area of square. Length multiply length. You see this much into this much. Both are 10 multiply 10. It means 100 meter square. Now students, we will find the whole this crossroads area. For that, area of roads is equal to, see, A1 सबका एडिशन करना पड़ेगा. A1 plus A2 plus A3. But students, A3 part is coming 2 times. Once I have shaded this A1 part and second when I have shaded A2 part. So we can take only one time. It means I have to subtract it one time. Okay, only one time we can take it. So what I can do, I will add one time and subtract also one time from it. Okay, so now A1 plus A3, A2 minus A3. What I have to do? Minus A3. Because 2 times it is coming. So now I write 800 plus 600 minus 100. So how much I get? 1400 minus 100, 1300 meter square, which is the value of the area of the roads here. Now students, after finding the area, we will find its cost also. We have to find the cost of leveling this crossroads at the rupees 1 point graveling. What we want to do? Graveling. So right here cost is equal to the area, that is 1300 multiplying the price 1.20. Right, 1.20, that I will convert into fraction as 120 divided by 100. So this 2 zeros get cancelled and 13 into 12 is 156 and 1 0. So 1560 is the cost of graveling these roads. So here we have completed our question number 7. This is the area of roads which is 1300 meter square and this is the cost here. So students, this exercise we are taking this many questions only. 18b we have completed here. Rest of the question if you don't do or you try by yourself, it is good for you for your practice.